Hi everyone, how are you all? Hope you are all fine. I will ask you one question, you have to answer me. Tell me, is there anyone in the world who doesn't have a problem? No, not at all. No one is in the world who doesn't have a problem. Everyone has a problem. Everyone is facing problems. But unfortunately, most of the people are spoiling their life by thinking a lot about the problems. People are wasting their valuable time by thinking a lot about their problems. For small issues, for small problems, people are thinking a lot and spoiling their life mentally or physically. Is it the way of living life happily? Is it necessary? No. God gave us such a beautiful life. We have to live wonderful life. But people are thinking a lot about the problems and spoiling their life. If there is a problem, then try to overcome it. How do we live life without worries? How do we solve the problems? How do we overcome the problem? How do we live life happily? For every problem there is a solution. Instead of thinking a lot about the problem, try to focus on the solution. Then definitely we will get nice solution, isn't it? What is this? This is a glass of water. Tell me, how heavy do you think the glass of water? What is the weight of the glass of the water? If I ask you, I might get various answers from you, like the weight of the glass of the water, maybe 30 grams, 50 grams, 70 grams, or 100 grams, or 150 grams. I might get various answers from you, but weight doesn't matter. The matter is how long I am going to hold this glass of water. If I hold this for a minute, nothing happened to me. If I hold this for an hour, my shoulder will get pain. If I hold this for a day, then my shoulder pain might be increased, isn't it? But the weight of the water doesn't change. It will remain same. The longer I hold the glass of water, the heavier it gives pain to me, isn't it? The stress, worries and problems of our life are just like glass of water. If you think about your problem for a minute, nothing happened to you. If you think about your problem for an hour, it start hurting you. If you think about your problem for days and days, it means you are going to spoil your life. You will become unhealthy. You will be attacked by so many diseases. Blood pressure will be increased. Sometimes you may get paralyzed. Is it necessary? Is it the way of living life happily? Once you become unhealthy, you can't achieve your goal. You can't do nothing in your life. You will just remain as a statue rest of your life. So, what should we do? How do we solve the problem? What is the solution? Yes, learn how to put the glass of water down. This is the solution. Why you are holding the glass of water for days and days? It gives pain to you. In the same manner, if you think about your problem for a minute, it doesn't matter. Nothing happened to you. If you have been thinking about your problem for 24 hours, then definitely you will become unhealthy. So put your worries, stress, problems down and feel free. Be free. If you can, solve the problem or leave the problem, but don't live with the problems. This is my sincere request to all of you. Sometimes we feel that all the doors are closed, but all doors may not be locked. They may be waiting for your knock. So don't discourage yourself by seeing the problems. Encourage yourself by utilizing your capabilities. There are only two facts which will definitely happen in every human being life. One is birth, another one is death. All the rest of the things are temporary. Then why we are giving more priority for temporary things? Problems will not kill our life, but negative thinking will definitely kill our beautiful life. So put your worries, problems, stress down. Don't hold it for the long period of time. Live happily because you deserve it. Hi friends, how was the video? As it was a really nice concept about the problems that we are facing in our daily routine life. As I know this concept, I wanted to share with you, so I have done this video for you. Good things always have to be shared, isn't it? Yes. Thank you very much guys who are watching my videos. Once again, I'm requesting you, those who have not subscribed my channel yet, please go for subscribing my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get my latest videos on your YouTube channel. Keep watching my videos and share my videos as much as you can. Last but not least, take care, be healthy and be happy. Jai Hind.